Next up is part E, and to work out part E here, we've got to append each of the hours entered in part D to the list called hours worked. And this is fairly straightforward here, so it's quite simply inside the loop here, we just say hours worked from our hours worked list that's created up here, hours worked dot append. So if you're wondering about this one, have a quick look at our Python reference guide, and we can see that here, where is it? Dot append. So in this particular one, appends x to the end of a list. So appends x to the end of a list. So whatever your list name is, and then dot append and whatever you want to append to the list. So in our case, we're starting off with nothing, and we're going to append the total or the hours worked. So from the Monday, it will add in hours worked, and then the Tuesday will add it on to the list. So they'll have a Monday, Tuesday, then the Wednesday's hours, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then the Thursday, then the Friday. Keep adding them on. And I think that's all you need to do for part E. So let's just have a run through that, make sure it's okay. John, 10, and then 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 0 on a Saturday, 0 on a Sunday. So we worked 50 hours in the week, and that looks good so far. Got no errors, and maybe should have printed that out to make sure. Yeah, let's do that. Let's clear my shell just to make sure I'm definitely correct. Print the hours worked to have a look at that list. So if I run this again now, so John 10. So again, 10 Monday, 10 Tuesday, 9 Wednesday, 10 Thursday, 8 on a Friday, and Saturday 0 and 0. And so there's my 10 and 10 and 9 and 8, and all appended on all the days. Keep adding on to the end of the list using the dot append method there, printing them out, and that looks 47, 10, 20, 39, 8, 47, job done.